Greetings class. This is a quick lesson about mixing to get a variety of greens. What I did first is I took blue and yellow from my plate over here. So I took yellow and I took some blue and I made a big pile of green. And I painted green right here. That's what that green looks like, all spread out right here. And then what I did is I made a light green by making a little pile of green and adding a bunch of white. And so I got this color, swirled it around, and that is actually this color right here. And then I took another, actually I lied, it's this one right here, because I mixed in a lot of white, and this color here, mixed a lot of white. Then here, this one looks barely green at all. It's just a little bit of green and a ton of white. And that one is this color right here. Now I'm going to show you live in action, hopefully not getting paint on my phone, how to make a dark green. So I have my green puddle here. I'm gonna go to the middle, get a nice little swab. Now remember, black is very powerful, so take just a little bit of black. See, that's really not that much. See, tiny dab of black. Then I'm actually gonna get some of that off my brush and I'm gonna mix it completely. Mix. No chunks of black, no chunks of green. Mix it all completely. All right, now I'm gonna go over here. Hopefully this isn't making you dizzy. And paint a line. Ooh, that is not much darker. I'm gonna mix a little more. Make it darker. Ooh, yeah, here we go. This is, sorry, Mrs. Ork should really have somebody holding the phone for her, but that's, nobody's here. All right, here we go. Now I'm gonna go darker. Get nice close. Paint. Yeah. Future videos will be better. Okay, so I just painted this from this puddle. Now, look, I bet I can go even darker by mixing a big dollop of black right in here. Mix it completely. Mix. Don't need to add any more green because I want a really dark green. Look, it almost looks black, doesn't it? Especially in this video. All right, now I'm gonna paint another stripe. Oh, next time Mrs. Ork will tape this to the counter so it does not move around. Sorry, this is not my best video. All right, there we go. Now this is a really dark green. Okay, the reason we're doing this, we want a variety of different shades of seaweed. We want some light green, semi-light green, pretty light green, green, dark green, darker green, really dark green. All right, and then if you finish that early, do the same thing with blue. This is kind of a variety of blues. I added in some black to get these colors. And then here I actually mixed some white and did my lighter colors up here. Down here I experimented with different amounts of yellow mixed in with my blue to get kind of like a blue green or a sea green, because we are doing oceans. The ocean is not all one color blue. It depends on where you are. It depends how deep you are. The deeper you are, the less light gets through from the sun coming down all those layers of water. So we need darker water at the bottom and lighter water up at the surface. So experiment. I need you to get at least 5 or 6 different greens for your picture, and I need you to be able to get 5 or 6 different blues. All right, you just need to practice mixing. Don't paint your seaweed or your ocean yet. That's going for next week's, but practice getting 5 or 6 greens and 5 or 6 different blues. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and we want the spice of life on your ocean paper. All right, that's all. Ta-ta.